What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video we are having a comparison between two Bluetooth speakers. On one of my side I have got a LG XBOOM Go PL7 Bluetooth speaker with the Meradyne technology. Come with the total output power of 30 watt and the price tag of around £130. Where on other corner I have got a Transmart Mega Pro which got an output of 60 watts, come with very competitive price tag of £80, and time to time you also get the offers on it as well. The main reason which driven me to do this comparison was especially the price tag. It's like comparing a 30 watt high-end expensive Bluetooth speaker with the very competitive price 60 watt Bluetooth speaker. And within this comparison, first we're going to go ahead and look into the specifications offered by both Bluetooth speakers, following with the audio output performance, and concluding in the end that which speaker performed better. And this is very much obvious that I will be your ears in person in here, which is going to tell you what I think actually. So you have to bear with me on that part for sure. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into the features offered by LG XBOOM PL7. Now from the side of features, it is pretty much straightforward to say that LG PL7 come with the Meradyne technology, which is well known and rewarded for clarity at high volumes. Also equipped with the dual action based sound boost technology, all day battery life of 24 hours, multicolor lighting mode for the party, come with the wireless party mode up to 100 speaker using the XBOOM application, available for Android as well as for iOS users, Bluetooth surround with the compatible LG televisions, water resistance IPX5. And honestly speaking, all the specifications don't sound bad at all. And now from the design and build quality wise, PL7 looks fantastic with output of 30 watts, 2 line drivers in the front, no passive radiator on the back, and these passive radiator also lit up as well. This is completely a new design by LG. All buttons to control the speaker are available on the top, starting with the power on and off, Bluetooth, volume control, play and a pause, and a sound boost button. Speaker can also work as a mobile phone hands-free to attend the calls. Works very nice, no problem whatsoever. And on the back of a speaker you have access towards all the ports, starting with the USB-C port for charging the speaker, 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, and a USB out, so you can play music and charge your devices at the same time as well. There are a couple of featured buttons in here which will help you to control the light and pair this speaker with other speakers. Actually kind of not that bad at all speaker, to be honest with you. It's got some weight on it which can guarantee you that you are getting a premium quality. Well, now it's time to look into the features and specifications offered by Transmart Mega Pro 60 watt, which come with the features like a patented Sound Plus technology, IPX5 water rated, 2.4 channel audio for the stereo surround sound, intelligent voice assistant, true wireless stereo technology, inbuilt USB power bank, NFC seamless connection, and convenient LED touch controller. In terms of battery life, you're talking about at least 10 hours, and that's what I have proven myself too. And from the design and build quality, Tronsmart is not that bad at all. In the front of a speaker you have a one woofer and a 2 tweeter which delivers the fantastic bass output with all the vocal and highs and lows covered fantastically well too. On the back of a speaker you have a one large passive radiator. Now all button which will help you to control this speaker as well as the equalizer settings are available on the top, easy to access as well. And on Transmart Mega Pro you got all the typical features which you expect from any Bluetooth wireless speaker, along with the micro SD card reader, so you can play songs from that, and also a USB output as well to charge up your tablet or a mobile phone if you want to. Obviously the USB-C support is also available for charging your Bluetooth speaker, and a 3.5 mm auxiliary port as well for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Now overall, from the build, design and a sound quality point of view, you should be more confident around Transmart. Well, enough around the specification. Now it's time to go ahead with the audio output performance, where I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube, which will be consisted around the range of frequency outputs. Give you an idea that how each Bluetooth speaker do in terms of bass output at lower volumes and at the high volumes too. Within this test, you also get an idea that how's the output frequency response at a high end for sure. Well, here we are in the end of this video. Now you can tell me from your side which one performed better. Was it LG XBOOM PL7 or Transmart Mega Pro 60 watt? Now, to be honest with you, if I'm comparing them head to head, what I think actually, Transmart Mega Pro is performing better because it's got an extra 30 watt on top of LG XBOOM. Now, but if you look into the output side of it, what I notice actually, Transmart Mega Pro, because the battery life is about less than about 30%, under my performance that it started going down in the bass as well. That's why you might have noticed that in the middle of test, I have put the extra power bank on it just to be, kind of giving a backup support. If I look into the performance of PL7, is a very good Bluetooth speaker if it's compared against JBL Charge 4 or Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. But comparing it against Mega Pro 60 watt, it's not really a good choice, to be honest with you. Now, winner of this whole comparison, the title will go for the Transmart Mega Pro because of its output performance of bass. At some stages within my performance test, because I'm hearing with my own ears, I have noticed that the LG performed better in a bass actually. That is especially because of these two dual acting passive radiators. They work very good and they look awesome too, don't they? But they also come with a hefty price. So if you're okay to pay for them, this is nicer speaker. But if you have a budget, that is the option you have. Transmart Mega Pro 60 watt. Now all the links where you can purchase them, if you'd like to see the individual reviews of them, everything is available in the video description. Now that would be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. If you want me to compare any of these Bluetooth speaker in near future with any other new ones available in the market, do let me know in the comment section down below. Further motivate, guys. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.